Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to change my Pioneer email. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open the Pioneer. In order to do that, you just need to go to your web browser and in the search bar you need to type Pioneer. After that you need to click enter in your keyboard and the web search result will be shown. And on the first web search result there will be Pioneer official website. You just have to go there and sign in and log in, and when that sign in and login process is done, this is the home page that is shown to you. So now you just have to go to the right hand side. On the top right corner there is a person icon, just click here. After that there is the setting option here. You just have to click on the setting option, and in the first option there is profile setting, and you have to click on the profile setting, and in the first option there is names and email. You just have to click on the edit option that is on the right hand side, and here you can change your email. And after changing the email you can just click on the save option and your email will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change your email in the Pioneer. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.